There's a fabulous initiative this weekend, a virtual career conference. And here's a message from the president of the WMO and chairman of the KitKat Group, Ahmed Gani.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ahmed Gani, the president of the WMO African Chapter and the chairman of the KitKat Group. I'm truly looking forward to engaging with our remarkable youth at the upcoming virtual career conference hosted by the WMO Youth Wing. It promises to be an inspiration and an empowering session filled with valuable insights and opportunities. See you all there, inshallah. Thank you.
And this is at the virtual career conference, Empowering African Youth, Building Careers, Creating Impact and Shaping Tomorrow, proudly sponsored by CAMDA Group, WMO and the IDS. Virtual Career Conference, please book at QUICKET, 2025 100 or $6, Saturday, August the 9th at 10 o'clock and Sunday, August 11th at 3:15. So empowering African youth, building careers, creating impact, shaping tomorrow, challenge 60% unemployment against Africa. So we got a huge challenge in South Africa. August 9 to 10, 2025, 10:30 a.m. and then 3 p.m. 100 Rand or $6 via Zoom webinar. What you get career mastery workshops, CV interviews, entrepreneurship, direct access to CEOs and humanitarian leaders, advocacy training to create social impact, template certificates and network and group access, star speakers, Dr. A.V. Mohammed, community leader with the opening keynote address, business CEOs, Checkstar, KitKat, MCA groups and so on, humanitarian leaders, Islamic relief, human aid, penny appeal, perfect for young professionals, students, career changers, and entrepreneurs who want a meaningful career with social impact. Please contact QuickNet and make sure that you get your booking your tickets there. This is an opportunity that should not be missed. Stay well, look after yourself, and let's educate the nation.